The main lesson in this video that I'm going to show you is never click and drag audio files into Pro Tools. Never do it. Just don't ever do that. Instead of clicking and dragging, you go to File, you go to Import Audio, and then you find the audio file, and then you hit Copy File. I'm telling you this from experience, and I'm going to show you why clicking and dragging audio into Pro Tools caused all kinds of problems for me. Enjoy the video. This is Drew's new haircut.
But you do. Why are you filming this? Why are you filming it?
Happy KO's Laurence here. So I got a new hard drive and I wanted to transfer all my Pro Tools sessions and audio files over to from the old hard drive to the new hard drive. I'm using a PC. Something weird happened when I did that. I'd open the Pro Tools session from the new hard drive so that it would pull the audio from the new hard drive that I copied everything into. And some of the files were missing, including some of the tracks. And that's weird because I thought I copied everything over. So here's what happened, and maybe you've run into this problem too, and I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so here's what happened. And by the way, I just turned the microphone around on my camera so that when I'm behind the camera I can sound clear. I just thought of that. That's how dumb I am. So here's what happened. I click on my new SSD, which is called T7 on my computer. Click on that. Open my Pro Tools session. All this stuff is copied from the old hard drive. And if I have this song here, How to Play Dream Missing, I put missing on there because there's nothing in here. Look. Here's the session and there's no audio files folder. Normally there's an audio files folder here and there isn't one, and even this file is empty. So why didn't that copy over? Well, I'll show you. If we open this up, look, there's tracks in here. So it's playing music. But where is it coming from? Look, it even made a new audio files folder for me just because I opened it. Look, there's nothing in here. So where is this playing from? So the way you find out where this is coming from is you click on the track. Then you come over here to clips, and this blue one that's highlighted, you right click on that, and you go reveal in Explorer, and it showed up over here. So this is where this is coming from. It says backup Toshiba, mixdown for Lolo, Dream Stems. So I had this coming from this folder for some reason. I probably clicked and highlighted and dragged them into my session. Never do that. Never click and drag an audio file into your Pro Tools session, because then it's going to pull from there from that point on. And you don't want it to do that. You want Pro Tools to make its own file of this, its own copy of this. So here's the correct way to put these files into Pro Tools so that they show up here in the audio files folder. What you do is you go to File, Import Audio, and then you look for them in here. You just find this location of the audio files you want, in which case this is in the old hard drive, so the Toshiba, backup Toshiba, mixdowns for Lolo, Dream Stems, right? That's where it was from over here. So then you just look over here under the clips, so it looks like there's 6 of them. You find those 6 in this little folder, which is right here. You can highlight all of them, all the ones you want to import basically, and you click on Copy Files. Do not click Add Files, because that won't do anything. It'll just continue to pull from the old hard drive. Hit Copy Files to make a copy onto your new hard drive. If you're using a Mac and it doesn't have that copy file option, I think it's convert file on Mac. So I think that's the button you want to push on Mac. I could be wrong. You may have to experiment with that. Make sure that they're all the ones you want. And then this source sample rate, just make sure it says 44,100. If it doesn't, you can click this apply SRC. But ours looks okay, 44,100, done. Then this will pop up and you just make sure that this is where you want the new files to be. How to Play Dream Missing audio files. That's this one up here. That's the new hard drive. Use current folder. Ignore why those are empty. Then you click new track here, you click OK to that. And then if this pops up, just hit stamp file over and over again until it stops. There you go. Now, let's go over here and check to make sure it copied it over. Audio files. There you go. They're in there. So now when you open your session from your new hard drive, it'll pull from here. Let's test that out. So let's exit out of Pro Tools. Save. Go to our new hard drive now. How to play Dream. And voila, there they are. Correct place, right here, pulling from these. If you have any questions about what I did, please feel free to leave a comment. I'll respond to it. This has been a frustrating night from Happy KO. Have a good night. Oh, and like and subscribe.